we're going to take a look at solving by taking the square root. So this first one here, it's nice because we just have a quantity squared. So let's make this a little larger. So we can just take the square root of each side. So now we have x minus 3 equals, we have to remember it's plus or minus the square root of a negative 11. What I like to do now is divide it into 2. So x minus 3 equals the positive square root of negative 11, and x minus 3 equals negative square root of negative 11. Well, I'm going to add 3 to each side. So we have x equals, and since there's a negative, I'm going to pull out an I, plus 11. And then this one again, add 3. So we have x equals negative I square root of 11 plus 3. So let's take a look at this next one. If we take the square root of it, so now we have 2x plus 4 equals plus or minus 3. We can break it into 2. So it equals positive 3. 2x plus 4 equals negative 3. And we can solve these. So we have 2x equals negative 1, so that means x equals negative half. And let's see, subtract 4. So we have 2x equals negative 7. Divide by 2. So we have negative 7 over 2. And then the last one here, let's see. Well, first we have to isolate what's squared, so subtract 1. So we have 2x minus 4 squared equals 4. Divide by 2. So we have x minus 4 squared equals 2. Square root. So now we have x minus 4 equals plus or minus the square root of 2. Split it into the 2. So it equals positive square root of 2, negative square root of 2, plus 4, plus 4. So x equals the square root of 2 plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. X equals negative square root of 2 plus 4. And that barely showed up.